Like you can see on the screen, there are 7 options given. I will explain them. You can see the numbers, some alphabets number, you can increase the size, you can decrease the size. That is font, you can change the font, and also you can make it in different styles. That font can be changed as per your need. There is a right side, and you can also copy and paste also. So there are different options given there. The second is insert. Like you can see on the screen, before, as I explained to you, pivot table in that spreadsheet. When you enter data or you delete some data, and you can show that with the color, you can put some graph or line graph. So that is used for this. Next, you can see the page layout. This is used for checking our sheet, how you want to make it. The next is formulas. There are different formulas, like in mathematics we do plus, minus, divide, multiply, and we have a small calculator also. So all those calculations can be done in this spreadsheet. So this is used for all the kinds of mathematical calculation. And below that there is data. You all know the different names like ABC, or if you want to put their name, children's name in alphabetically order. If there is a unorganized list that you can arrange, that can be done easily automatically. You just have to drag the name of the student or learner, and automatically it matches with the alphabet, and they can be put in that category easily. For example, in an exam, if there are students who got marks less than 40, or there are students who got marks above 50, so that you can represent in a chart format. In English or Hindi or any subjects, like in school there are various subjects and various marks teachers give, so that can be shown through this for result purpose, exam result purpose. So this can be used to show pictorial format, that these number of students got passed marks, or these number of students they couldn't get success, or such reports or brief summary report that is automatically produced. It saves our time. Also, when we put any alphabet or any name, and for example any girl name or any boy's name or any male or female name, just to take example of my name is chosen O, B and OC, ST, general. So such options, when we have to choose, that kind of option availability is also there in this data format. Next is review. When you have written some text and you want to just go through that once, and you want to do the grammar check, then this review button, it will help you again check the grammar. Then if there is any mistake, it underlines the mistake words automatically with the red underline, and if there is no mistake then it will be without any underline. And also if you want to put any password or any secret word there, that also you can put in that protect sheet. There is an option of protection or just making it your secret file. If you want to open, if anybody else wants to open it, that cannot be opened by the other person. The next one is below that, view. Like if we want to take printout, and before taking printout we just see the final view of the sheet, that can be viewed. How the printout, the final sheet will look like. So that makes our work easy through this view. Now this screen, you can see there are some cells. You can change them and you put your data in this. I will explain that now further. This insert a new adding. As you can see on the screen, there is some arrow that we can put their names on the sheet. Like you have typed something about the class 1 or any class. Just take class 1. There are so many 100 students or names, and you have to put information of all those 100 students one by one. Class 1A, then class 1B, then class 1C. Similar way, there are different cells, and then B, you put data of that. So similarly, there are different rows and columns. You can put the data in that. Also, you can do the renaming. If you want to change the name of the previous file and you want to give another name, that also you can give. Like you want to give the name like class first A, class first B, that is also possible. In any chart, when you write any alphabet, any name, then you can also change the color or names, like any company name, any sales details, that can be put in this. Next, text. In this text, the numbers and words all can be put in this Excel sheet. If there are different numbers or different names, that we can put together. There is ranges also in these cells. We can select the cells from one particular cell till another particular cell, and when we select some cells, that gets selected and it shows the blue color selection. Data entry, that can be done in various ways. We can put in numbers, we can also put text, that is also possible, and also we can also put the time and date. That is very easy to put. There is a column and you can put date, number, text, anything, any detail you want to put. And also you can do the calculation. For example, just like I explained cells, rows and columns. There are different columns which are vertical and rows which are horizontal. Horizontal rows and columns, vertical columns. So this way you can easily understand all the rows and columns also, they have numbers. We can also delete or put more cells or rows and columns as per our need. In case we put some wrong information, then deleting a cell is possible. Also deleting a column is possible, deleting a row is possible. There are different rows, different columns. We can select them, then we can choose the delete option, so that makes our work easy. Now, how to find and replace data in any worksheet? If we need to search, we have put some data and there are different colors or different words, but we want to make changes. If you want to make some changes in that, just take an example of NIOS. Like we have so many worksheets when we work, and long worksheets, big worksheet, and in case we need to make some changes, then this can be done easily and it makes our work easy. It saves our time also. In these worksheets, rows and columns that you can see, I will just show the picture. You can put numbers in rows. You can also see the row number, and also there are columns in the chart. You can increase or decrease the size of the table. Also, if you want to make it colorful, you can put colors as per your choice. You want to change the color of the text, that is also possible. There are different ways to make it colorful. I will show you. Like this table with the border I am showing you on the screen. that is a big border. That's your choice. As per your choice you can make it. Thank you so much.